Good afternoon. My name is Maria Imelda Naranjo Acevedo. Step 3. Identify technology value. Concept map picture. Lack of information on production causes. There is not cost analysis to start production. Decrease in the competitiveness of company. It prevents innovation and standardization of processes due to lack of information on production costs. Lack of labor required to create the product. Consequences. This is advantages in financial control. There is no positioning of the company in the market. Decisions are not made of on the technology to be implemented in the production process. Increase in production cost. Two recommendations to face the difficulty defined in the concept map. It is recommended that companies aim to apply technological evaluation method with which they will have more information on production cost and thus be able to make economic decisions. The information on production costs help companies to keep track of their finances and thus be able to identify failures and solve them, in addition to having a reduction in cost in favor of the well-being of the company. Thanks for your attention.